Hi, I am Rania. I am very happy to participate in this workshop. I will show how we use this simple lens to magnification the crystals. In chemistry, we use the single X-ray crystallography to show the structure of this compound. Also, before it, we used the simple microscopy or eyes to show the dimensions of this crystal. This crystal, I am very lucky to. It is very large. I can see it by eyes. Also, I can magnification it by use simple lens to show its edges or dimensions. Also, if this crystals is very small, we use microscopy and the slides. I am very happy to learning the cell culture and the training in cell culture lab in Faculty of Medicine, Alexandria University. As shown, this is the inverter microscopy. Uses in to count the cell number of cell in to use it in the cytotoxicity test by using the hemocytometer. Under microscopy, we can show the number of cells in its simple square to calculate the volume that used in the cytotoxicity test for medicine application. And thanks.